Hey guys, I've got a bit of a solution to old games and specifically Sid Meier's Alpha Centauri loading up black and white and not rendering the 256 color mode it needs properly. So I'll be doing this on my old Windows 7 computer just to show you, but this can be done on any new one. So all it is we're going to go into this folder. So I've got mine installed on one of my hard drives here, go into Sid Meier's Alpha Centauri. Want to scroll down, you're going to have to find the alpha centauri.ini file, .ini. Double click, go into that one. And I've already got in the copy and paste, but what we're going to write in there is direct draw equals 0. We're going to save that one. And it's that easy. Now the next time you load up the game, you should hopefully load up in full color mode and you should be able to enjoy your game just as normal. So you can try this out for other old games. If you can get to the INI and you can copy paste that, perhaps it'll work. Well, I hope this helped you guys, and maybe even help me later down the track in case I forget again. Alright, have a good one. Peace.